I used to have a terrible snoring problem. I would wake myself up at night. I would wake up whoever was in the room with me. I would have terrible dry mouth to the point where I was drinking water every time I woke up. And I would wake up in the morning with really bad breath. And this overall was disrupting every night's sleep. And it was all due to mouth breathing. The problem is bigger than you think. And this is why mouth breather is kind of a derogatory term. It contributes to poor sleep. It contributes to poor oxygenation. And during your sleep, for some, sleep apnea, which is really a terrible condition.